Welcome to the Hennasooq channel right here on YouTube. So glad to see you guys. I'm excited to be answering questions every week. Ask Hennasooq with me, Khadija. So this week's question is, will my hair fall out if I use henna after using chemicals? So let's say you're still doing chemical hair treatments, like dyeing your hair or using perm, any type of, chemical process. There's a lot of kind of scary information out there about that henna will melt your hair off. It'll just make all this crazy stuff happen, which is not true. Unfortunately, most colorists and most of those in like the cosmetology kind of industry, they don't talk about natural hair care. They really don't. It's growing, it's changing, and that's why I'm here. That's why I have a professional henna hair color course and professional courses for the professionals. So that way that information can get out there. Like, that's my dream. My dream is to give professionals all the information they need to make an informed decision and have the right facts and the right information. Henna is not going to melt your hair off. Henna is not gonna start making your hair all fall out. Henna is in your hair to protect it, and to just really, strengthen it and give it a really good, beautiful, gorgeous results for your hair to be healthier, and, just promoting it to grow and just the overall healthy environment for your hair. It's a great herb. It's a versatile go-to herb for sure. That being said, yes, you can still do chemical hair dyes if you want to, perm, and still use henna. Henna masks and treats. It doesn't have to be pure henna powder, but henna masks, deep conditioning treatments with henna. You can kind of rotate them in every 3 to 4 weeks. You aren't going to do it all back to back. Your hair needs a bit of a break. So just being mindful of that. And maybe your stylist or colorist might be against it, but it's your hair. It's your hair, and you have the right to do other treatments that you want to. I will say, because I'm transparent and I'm always going to be honest about that, henna is very difficult to remove, so that is a true fact. But there is nothing better about chemicals when it comes. Henna is a natural herb that's been around here for thousands of years, so chemicals ain't got nothing on henna. It really, really doesn't. But I understand and respect that people want to play with their hair and kind of, see how their hair is going to be, and it's creative and it's art and it makes you feel happy. So I understand that totally. I just really recommend that if you decide to use any type of chemicals or any other type of treatments, that you should have like henna or an Ayurvedic herbal hair treatment as part of your regimen as well. So that way you could keep doing masks and treatments and just keep your hair really, really healthy. So yes, you can still use henna and you will not fall out because of chemicals. The chemicals might make it fall out and break, but it won't be the henna. Just again, everything is about balance and monitoring your hair. If you need to take things into your own hands, if you don't have access to a natural, hair specialist, which you can book an appointment with me if you want a one-on-one consultation, you could definitely do that, and I can help you in that journey. But definitely write everything down, keep track of your process and how everything's going, so that way you have a really good foundation and you're learning how to take care of your hair, because everyone's hair is so unique as you are as a person. So I hope that helps. I will see you next week.